Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to post WooCommerce product on Facebook page using Bitly. So we want to market our WooCommerce product on our social media platform like Facebook page, and for that what our objective is that whenever we are going to add a new product in our WooCommerce store, then automatically we are going to first create a bit link for that product, and by using that bit link we are going to create a new post on our Facebook page for that product. So for our objective, we need to build a connection between WooCommerce, Bitly and Facebook page. So for creating this connection, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we need to use trigger and actions. In trigger application, I'm going to use WooCommerce. In action application, first I'm going to use Bitly and then I'm going to use Facebook page. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can post WooCommerce products on Facebook page using Bitly. So if you are running an online store on WooCommerce, then you know how important it is to promote your products on social media. Today I'm going to show you super effective way to do just that. So by posting your WooCommerce products directly on Facebook page, and by using Bitly to create short trackable link. So for this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to build a connection between WooCommerce, Bitly and my Facebook page. So here what is going to happen is, whenever I'm going to add a new product in my WooCommerce store, then automatically I'm going to use all those product detail and I'm going to create a short trackable bit link. And after creating that bit link, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a new post on my Facebook page to promote my product. So for building this connection, I don't need any programming and coding skills, and I can use Pabbly Connect to build this connection and this automation. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and it will take us to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here I need to create a new workflow. For that I need to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to post WooCommerce product on Facebook page using Bitly. And now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I will have all the folders that I have created in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I'm going to use this particular folder of WooCommerce. So I'm going to select that, and I need to click on create. And it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we have to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be WooCommerce. So I'm going to select WooCommerce here, and now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new product created will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to connect WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. And this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. And now I need to take you to WordPress, where I have the plugin of WooCommerce. Now I will go to WooCommerce, and here I will open settings. And in settings I will go to advanced. And in advanced settings I have this option of webhook. So I'm going to open that. So in this webhook section, I need to add a new webhook. So I'm going to click here on this add webhook button. And here I have all these tabs. So first I need to give a name. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to give a name to my webhook. That will be new product. Now I have to give the status. My status will be active. and I have to select my topic. So I'm going to open this tab, and product created will be my topic. Now I need to give a delivery URL. So here in the delivery URL, I'm going to give my webhook URL that I've copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here, and now I need to click on Save Webhook. So I have successfully added my webhook. Now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this webhook ID. So this means that I have successfully updated my webhook. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Recapture Webhook Response. I'm going to click on Yes. And here it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I need to create a new product or add a new product in my WooCommerce store. So I'm going to go back to WordPress, and here I will go to products. And here in products, we can see I have all my products that I have in my WooCommerce store. So here I need to add one more product. So I'm going to click here on this add new button. And here I need to add my product details. So first I need to give my product name. So my product name will be Polo T-shirt. Now I need to give a product description. So my product description will be all weather polo t-shirts. And now I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to give my regular price. That will be 500 rupees. My sale price will be 350 rupees. And I'm going to scroll down, and here I'm going to add the image of my product. So I'm going to first add the product gallery. So I'm going to click here on this add product gallery images. And I'm going to select my product image. I'm going to add this to gallery. And now I'm going to select my product image. So I'm going to set my product image. And I'm going to select my image. And I'm going to click on set product image. And I have added my image here. Now I'm going to scroll up, and I'm going to click on publish. So I have successfully published my product, and I have created this new product in my WooCommerce store. Now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the detail of my product. So here this is my product slug and the name of my product, that is Polo T-shirt. Also I have the price, that is 350 rupees. I have the name of my product, that is Polo T-shirt. And here I have my image URL or image SRC. So this is my image URL of my product. And here I have my image name and the image ID. Also I have my product ID. And I have my description, that is all weather polo t-shirt. So here we can see that we have received all these details, like my product detail and my product image. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details, and first what I need to do is I need to make a bit link for this product. So for creating the bit link, I need to first set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here for creating the bit link, I'm going to use bit.ly. So I'm going to select bit.ly here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create bit link will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect bit.ly with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. Now I need to click on connect with bit.ly, and I need to click on allow to give access to my account. And here my connection is successful. Now first I need to select my group. So I only have one group in my bit.ly account, so that is already selected. Now I need to give the long URL of my product. So what I need to do is that as I have received all the response of my product in my trigger response, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to map that detail, and in that response I have received my product URL. So I'm going to use that as my long URL. So I need to map that here, and for that I'm going to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I need to open this response of WooCommerce. And here I'm going to search for my long URL of my product. So here this is the URL of my product. So I'm going to map this. Now I need to map the title of my product. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of WooCommerce. And here this is the name of my product. So this is going to be my title. So I'm going to map this. And now I'm going to give my domain. So I'm going to take the domain of bit.ly. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to type my domain as bit.ly. So here I have mapped all these details. So what is going to happen is that as I'm going to create new products in my WooCommerce store, then automatically I'm going to receive new responses of products in Pabbly Connect. And as I'm going to receive new responses of product, then automatically all these details are going to get replaced with the new data in real time. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Cookies button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a bit link for my product. So here this is my link, and this is my bit link, which is short and trackable. Now what I need to do is I need to use this link and I need to create a post on my Facebook page for my product. So for that I need to set my last actions tab, and here my action application is going to be Facebook page. So I'm going to select Facebook pages here, and I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create page photo post will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Facebook pages with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with Facebook pages. And now I need to click on continue as Michael Karras to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here, and I have successfully connected Facebook page with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my page. So for selecting the page, I have to take you back to my Facebook account first. And here in Facebook, we can see I'm going to use this Facebook page that is named as Pabbly Connect. So I need to map this in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back. And here for selecting my page, I need to open this tab. And in this tab, I will find all the pages that I've created in my Facebook account. So I'm going to search for my page that is Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to select that. And now I need to give a photo URL that I want to post on my Facebook page. So I have received my photo URL from my response of WooCommerce. So I'm going to map that here. So I need to click here. I will open the response of WooCommerce. And here I have this label of image src. So this is my photo URL. So I'm going to map this. And now I need to give a description. So in the description, I'm going to give the caption of my post. So here my description will be, we have launched a new product on our WooCommerce store, and you can check it out by clicking on the below link. And here I'm going to add the bit link that I've created for my product. So I'm going to open this response of bit.ly, and here this is my bit link. So I'm going to map this, and here I have mapped all the required details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save and send test request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response. So this means that I have created a new post of my product on my Facebook page. Now to check this, let me take you to my Facebook page. I'm going to first refresh this. And here on post section, we can see I have created this new post with the image of my product. And here's my description is, we have launched a new product on our WooCommerce store, and you can check it out by clicking on the below link. So here this is my product link. So I'm going to open this, and by clicking on that product, it will automatically take me to my WooCommerce store where I have this product. So now let's go back to my Facebook page, and here we can see that I have successfully created this new post on my Facebook page for my product. So as I have launched a new product on my WooCommerce store, then automatically I've created a bit link for that product, and after creating that bit link, I have created a new post on my Facebook page for my product. So this is how I'm promoting my product on my Facebook page. And here my connection and this automation is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and I have successfully created this connection and automation between WooCommerce, bit.ly and Facebook pages to post WooCommerce product on Facebook page using bit.ly. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was WooCommerce, and my trigger event was new product created. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was bit.ly, and my action event was create bit link. Then in the last, I have used Facebook pages as my action application, and my action event was create page photo post. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.